Hi, this is Kelly Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I have my mitten top done. I have 6 stitches on my front needle and 6 stitches on my back on both needles, so they're ready to be Kitchenered. And I have my little cheat sheet here, and above this line is my little setup method that I use. And number 1, it says go in as if you're going to purl. So I'm going to go in as if I'm going to purl. Then I'm going to go in on my second needle or back needle as if to knit. Then I'm going to actually start the Kitchener pattern, which is knit, off, purl, and purl, off, knit. Knit, off, purl, purl, off, knit. Knit, off, purl. Oops, you don't want it to go over the top like that. Purl, off, knit. And then make sure your tail doesn't come off. Knit, off, purl, purl, off, knit. Knit, off, purl, purl, off, knit. And then on the last, knit, off, and then this one is purl, off. And then what you'll do is you'll just weave in your ends, and you've got your Kitchener stitch done. And that's what your Kitchener stitch looks like. It mimics knit stitches. So I'll block that, and it'll give me a really nice rounded, kind of nice finished look to my mitten top.